Hello everyone, this is Renato and welcome to my channel. If you are actual VBA Access and SQL learners, this topic is for you. So our topic for today is um, create access database, create table, and load Excel data to MS Access using actual VBA. Part 1, because I have part 2 for this. For the part 2 would be we will create an access query via Excel VBA. So disclaimer, um, Excel data is not mine. My friend sent me this for coding purpose only. At the same time, to share this knowledge to everyone. Here is the requirements. The database name will be sample DB. So it is pre-coded to name that to name the database name sample DB. So the table name will be table 1. So here is the sequence. Create MS Access table, database, create table, load data to S into the table 1. I'm going to show you. So as you can see, this would be the path that we'll be using to create a access database. So as you can see, no access database in it. So it will run to create the database. So later on, I'm going to show you the code of all of these buttons so that you can uh, see how the code works. So we're done on creating database. So let's see. So as you can see, database access database shows next. Next one, we will create a table. It will be named table 1. So table 1 is created. We will have to open the access table, access database. So, and we'll see if the table 1 exists. This one, table 1 already exists. So next would be we're gonna load this Excel data to table that we have created. So load data to DB. So data loaded to DB completed. So data raw data is total raw data for this only 81 rows. For the 13 columns or 14, I guess. So I'm gonna show you the content of the table. So here it is. We successfully loaded the data from Excel to Access table. So I'm gonna show you the code itself. So this one, I'm using an Office 2021 version. So the reference object is Microsoft Access 16.0 object library. So if you're using an older version, so it might be Access 12.0, I guess, right? Something like that. I don't see MS Access 14 or 15. So be it. So here is the path that I am using. So this code tells to create a database. So quit the database to release the memory and the prompt. So here is the code for the create table. This one is the path. So I use the provider, the connection open. This one is to create the table. That's a command to create the table. You can see create table, table 1. Here is the data type. I use text because all of the mostly of the columns that I use uh, using text. Aside from this one, accounts uses numbers. So declaring the data type to decimal, right? So this one, if you are done with the um, execution, don't forget to close the connection and release the memory. Set the connection to nothing. Then a prompt. That is pretty easy. When so you can see the code. So don't forget the data type, the closing, the connection, termination of the connection, set the object to nothing. The next part is um, loading of Excel data to MS Access data. Same here. I'm using the path, the provider, strdb path, this. So I open the connection. So I use a record set. So I open the record set using Open Dynamic and the copy domestic. AdSense detect is optional. But if you are writing a query, be sure to have AdSense detect to use. Right. So as you can see, I set the range. I get the range of what I need, which is in column A. This one. So I use the add new of the RS. This is the record set. This is the field, one by one. Load the value from the range, which is the A. This is the column A. This is the column column B. Then the rest, so on. As you can see, I use offset. The first part is the row, and the one is the move column one to the right. Don't forget to input the updates so that the changes takes effect when you are going to use that. So again, if you are done, don't forget to close the record set, close the connection, set the object to nothing to clear the memory, and have a prompt to show that the execution is complete. The last part, this one is to empty the database. So empty, not entirely delete the table. So delete the table. The delete command is similar to truncate in SQL. So empty, it empty the table only. You can see, I get a provider, open the connection, have connection execution, then close the connection, release the memory, set the object to nothing, then have this, right? So as you see, table has the data. So we're gonna run empty data. Yes. So empty database is completed. So I'm gonna show you the table content. So table content is cleared and no data. That's basically an Excel VBA to demonstrate how to create database, create table, load data to access table. So that's basically for the topic today. And thank you for watching. And for more videos, please subscribe and support my channel. I'll be uploading videos, learning each week or as long as I have free time. Happy learning, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you.